Okay, so today guys, I am going to do an unboxing of a vacuum cleaner, compact, Eureka vacuum cleaner, compact design. It's bagless collection, easy to carry and easy to empty dust. It's a one button for rewinding the cord. So let us do an unboxing of this vacuum cleaner and let us see how it works. Eureka vacuum cleaner. It says clean with a promise. Okay guys, let's see what came in the box. This is the hose. This is the sweeper. These are the two poles for the sweeper, the attachment. The user manual. And this is the vacuum here. Let's see. Great. So this here is the area for the cord. And this is the button to wind the cord back up. Alright. This is to put the power button to put it on and off. And this here is another attachment. This is the sweeper. It could fit in either way. It's dual. So if you have to clean your computer or anything small, you're able to just switch it this way and you clean. Or if you want to get dust and cobwebs and other things out in corners, you use it this way. So this here is the area. It doesn't, remember guys, it does not have a bag. It's bagless, but it has a dust container, so that collects the dust and the garbage with a filter in here. And it has some nice wheels, wouldn't damage your furniture. Nice big wheels to go in. So let me just remove the dust compartment so you'd be able to see. It has a click here. You just click on it and there it opens. So you see here, and you're able to empty your dust from its head. Okay, so let's see how it works to get the dust out. You press this and it opens. You could get the dust out for this way, or you could just unscrew it and you could pour the dust out this way. Now there's a filter here that should be washed occasionally, so you could unscrew it like this, and this is the filter. You could just wash that with some warm water and then just make sure you know how you take it out, so you could just take it and fit it back in. It's just with a slight twist. You line it up properly and you twist it and it goes back on. Now at the back of the vacuum cleaner, there's also another filter. See the back here? There's this filter here. So it needs to be cleaned occasionally. So you just adjust my camera. Just move it in here this way. Take it off. This is the filter. This could be removed and cleaned occasionally because obviously it will get soil, and you just take it, you put it back in and you click it in. Okay guys, it here guys, and when you're done you just take it and fit it in and it clicks. And it's very easy to carry, very lightweight, easy to carry. Eureka vacuum cleaner. Very tiny, just good for home use. So I'm going to do another test on it just to make sure that everything works well. Pretty lightweight. Don't forget, Calabash 2001. Like and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel so you could get some more videos, product reviews.